This is the structure of the AC's outdoor unit. If it's not cooling, replace the outdoor unit's circuit board. No power, no lights, replace the indoor unit's circuit board. Cooling but no heat, replace the reversing valve. For leaks, put the drain in a bottle and squeeze to clear blockages. Old ACs use more power and cool poorly. First, clean the outdoor unit's heat exchanger. Second, defrost coils, clean filters, and add refrigerant if needed. Third, if the fan's slow, replace the capacitor. If it won't spin, replace the motor. For noise, replace the compressor and tighten all screws. Why do ACs fail easily? How to choose a durable one? From my decade of experience, I recommend Oaks Power Saver for 5 reasons. First, there are 3 AC types: fixed, semi-inverter, and full DC inverter. Oaks uses a full DC inverter, better cooling, energy saving, and quieter. Second, don't believe claims about single units matching dual performance. You'll find poor cooling and loud noise. Choose dual AC design for better cooling and solid construction. Third, frequent use with a poor compressor leads to early breakdown. Choose a top brand with efficient rare earth compressor for longevity. Fourth, avoid energy efficiency ratios below 5.0 international standard. Higher ratios mean more energy savings. Oaks' 5.27 ratio outperforms standard ACs in efficiency. Fifth, look for self-cleaning and high-temp sterilization features. Oaks has 57 degrees Celsius sterilization, ensuring a healthy environment. ACs without self-cleaning develop odors and cool poorly over time. Lastly, choose brands with long warranties like Oaks' 6-year coverage. It's even better with Double 11 discounts. Definitely worth it.